I'm going to tell you about the top 5 ways in which you can start making money online today. And you don't need any money. You don't need anything to start, even experience. It's super simple. Let's do this. Okay, I usually don't do this with these kind of lists, but I am going to tell you that the number 5 way for you to make money online without any experience, no money to start, is going to blow your mind. So stick around for that. Also, I've got a free guide for you. I'll tell you a little bit more about it, but first let's get right into it. So the number 1 way in which you can make money online right now, working from home without any money to start, you can make serious money being a virtual assistant. If you have any administrative, office management, scheduling, event planning experience, anything like that at all, companies, big, small, and medium, are looking for people like you to help them with these tasks. And a real bonus, content creators. Okay, Mr. Beast is not the only one who has an empire. There are a lot of blue-collar content creators. You're looking at one right now. I'm a full-time content creator who, has built all these different businesses around my content. It's the fastest rising small business in the creator economy right now. And so most content creators are just dying to find somebody who can help them and alleviate all the stress and headache of doing all these administrative tasks. This is where you come in. I have one client who has really 4 or 5 businesses that she does virtual assisting for. She's making $96,000 a year. That is a direct case study. So if this is you, look into this. I've got a lot of resources in the pinned comment, description, and in my bio. Go check that out. Okay, number 2. The number 2 way for you to make money at home online without any experience needed is you can become a consultant or a coach. It's never been better to monetize what's in your dome and what's in here. There are millions of people out there who have problems that you can solve. And so are you an expert in health and fitness and wellness? Are you an amazing listener? Maybe somebody who is really good at giving advice. You could be a life coach. Are you somebody who's good with finances, tax, auditing, preparation? I'm so excited I've knocked my mic out of place. Are you somebody who's good at business consulting? Are you good at marketing? Are you good at lead generation? I mean, the list goes on and on. Cooking. Any expertise, and you can go look at all these different marketplaces. I'll leave resources for you again in the description, comment, and in the bio. You can monetize. All you need is a very simple landing page, some type of payment processor. Venmo comes to mind. I use Venmo. I use Stripe. And then just put the word out there. Make sure people understand that your services are available, and you'll get better. Don't overthink this stuff. Jump in. You can build the plane while you're flying it. Trust me, I did it too. And I've got a multiple 6-figure consulting business. That's like one of my biggest businesses out of everything that I do. This is a no-brainer. The gig economy, freelance economy, creator economy has never been better. The number 3 way for you to make money, top way, working from home without any money needed to start. If you've got any creativity at all, if you have any knack for slogans, designs, maybe you could even hire a designer, or any kind of, original saying, some type of apparel type of, intuition, starting a print-on-demand business, and it doesn't even have to be a business. It could be a side hustle too. You can do all this from home. You can do it all for free. I've got a perfect link, Spreadshop, where you can start for free today with my link only. And here's the cool thing. It's print on demand. You don't have to invest any. You don't need any money to start. You don't have to invest thousands or tens of thousands of dollars on inventory. When they order the shirt, the sticker, the hat, the beanie, whatever, it gets printed on demand. So Spreadshop will create it and ship it directly toward them. You don't have to hold any inventory. You guys, this is a no-brainer. Having a print-on-demand business. If you want to look at my merch shop, go check it out. I'll leave a link in the description. Again, it's all there at my link in the bio and in the pinned comment. It's never been a more opportunistic time to start your very own print-on-demand business. You don't even have to be the designer or the creator. You can outsource that. If you've got the skill of understanding what works in that ecosystem, ton of money can be made. You can do this all working from home without any money to start. The number 4 way for you to make money working from home online without any money to start. Do you love animals? Are you really, really good with kids? Because childcare and doggy care businesses, and you can do this all from the comfort of your home, and you can actually, I have a client, I know, I've said it before, I'll say it again. I've got a client who's turned this into a 7-figure business, taking care of dogs, taking care of kids. Never mind, this is not financial advice. All the write-offs that come if you do it at home, if you actually build it around the infrastructure of your own house, look it up. I'm not giving you financial advice. Do your own research, but holy macadamia nut. If you love animals and you have no problem taking care of kids, my kids are older now, but man, I've spent tens of thousands of dollars on childcare, and I'm spending an exorbitant amount even to this day on my dog, my beautiful dog Bluey. If you have any kind of skill in this area, childcare, dog care, all at the comfort of your own home, payments can all be done online. Everything can be done online. I'm telling you right now, lucrative with a capital C. I know that doesn't make sense, but it's so much fun. Okay, last but not least, I told you I was going to save the best for last. And you guys, I was not kidding you. Did you know this is the truest passive income source I've ever seen in my life, which is why I'm sharing it with you. If you have any extra space, any extra storage space in your garage, your driveway, backyard, wherever, maybe your place of business, maybe your office, doesn't even have to be at your home, neighbor.com, and with my link, it's a free sign up, will pay you to store things for other people. You can earn $400 a month with all your unused space. They even give you, they take care of everything. It's so convenient. They take away all the stress and headaches. Who do I find? Who do I trust? They do all the vetting. You get to pick who, what, when. You can help your local neighbor that needs storage space and make money. It's the most easy passive income that you can get. Automatic monthly deposits to your bank account. You literally just sign up, list your space, respond, schedule, bada boom, bada bing. They will deposit money into your account. It is fully passive. I talk very warily about passive income, and I usually say there's nothing passive about passive income because I don't like to give any false pretenses. But this is truly the most purebred passive income method I've ever seen and I've ever heard of. I've already got my wife doing this because we have a ton of extra space. It's amazing. Link in the comments and in the description and in my bio, neighbor.com. And with my link, it's absolutely free to sign up. So go check that out if you have any space at all and you don't want to go through the rigmarole and all the headaches of trying to find people and trying to figure out who's who and da-da-da-da. This is your solution. And I don't know anybody. Let me know in the comments. I don't know anybody. I know I could use an extra $400 a month. Hello, especially if it's all passive. It's all passive. Go do. What are you waiting for? Stop this video. Go check that link right now. Now, if you made it this far, I told you that I had a free gift for you. In the pinned comment and in the description and in my bio, you will find a link to a huge free downloadable guide, 28 highly vetted, data-backed, researched ways that you can make money online. I mentioned a few of them here in this video, the top 5. I believe these are the top 5. It's subjective, but I truly believe these are the best. But there's a ton that I haven't mentioned. Maybe you're like, Nez, none of these resonated with me. Well, guess what? I got you covered. Go check out the guide. It's absolutely free. It doesn't cost you a thing. It's absolutely free. Go download this free guide. You don't know what you don't know. I guarantee you 85 to 90% of you have not heard of half of these ways that you can make money online. Now is the time. In these precarious, economically turbulent times, I don't know anybody, myself included, that can't use some extra money. And with these ways, with these methodologies, you don't need any money to start, no experience. You just need the tenacity, the will, and the work ethic, and it can come to fruition. Go download this guide. Go check out all the resources. And hey, I'm Professor Nez. If you're interested in different ways you can monetize in the creator economy, this is the right place for you to be. Make sure you click that subscribe button. Make sure you follow, and I'll see you in the next video. We produce new videos every single week. See how excited I am? I mean, I can't even handle myself. I've knocked this mic, this table, 55 times. What else do I got to do for you guys? Go check out the guide. Go check out the resources. Make sure you subscribe and follow, and I'll see you soon.